Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And yesterday I made some videos using the Pentagon. Today I'm going to use a circle. And you can very easily make all three of these really from the same one. So we're going to draw an ellipse. I'm going to hit P, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to hit the plus sign on the keyboard. I'm going to hold down the shift key so it grows from the inside. And then how I did this one, I took the 2-point line. And this is why I draw in the center of the circle. Then I'm going to hit the plus key on that line and rotate it 90 degrees. I didn't hit the plus key and then go back to 0. My plus key evidently didn't work, so I'm going to control D and then rotate it 90 degrees. Now I can grab the Smart Fill tool and fill in that section and that section. What I'm trying to get at is I want that weird curvature. Now I can actually take away my lines and fill in this with the Smart Fill tool. That way I've got the exact size curve. Now I can grab these, and if you zoom in and you get this four-handled cross, you can actually do that, make it perfect. Left click, right click, go ahead and take your virtual segment delete key and delete that line between them. Use the Smart Fill tool and that's going to join them all together. And then with that 4-point cross, it'll actually snap in the center. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. Now I'm going to control D and make a duplicate, but I'm going to move the center rotation to the center. Doesn't look like it, so we'll double check it. If you don't ever hit that X, it'll do that. Let's rotate it 22.5 degrees. Control D, 45 degrees, Control D, and just keep controlling D. There is one of those designs. Pretty cool within itself. You can make another one, Control D, and mirror it. Look at that. That is the same thing. When you weld something like that, let's make a duplicate of it. Now I'm a plus sign on the keyboard is working. This will not weld. There's too many parts, but it'll give you that. But what you can do now is go to Object, break the curve. It did weld, but it's got these little facets. So I broke the curve apart. Now I can get rid of these little facets. And now we can take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and you've got a totally different look. There's 3 logos or 3 different looks in just a matter of seconds. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.